Now we are going to start with the sums related to power theorem. First we will understand the theorem, and when we write the reason, how to represent a reason, I'll let you know. Now look at this chord AB. This is chord AB and other one is chord CD. These two chords intersect each other at point P inside the circle. But here chord AB and chord CD intersect each other outside the circle. Okay, that doesn't make any difference whether they intersect inside the circle or they intersect outside the circle. Their point of intersection is inside the circle or outside the circle, result is same. इसका प्रूफ अगर चाहिए तो मैंने थियरम पढ़ाया था, उसमें दिया हुआ है. ओके, so what is the result in both the cases? Now chords AB and CD intersect each other at point P. So your point P is going to be very, very important. Point P will be very, very important. It will be everywhere in each part. What is the name of the chords AB and CD? First let us concentrate on only one chord, that is AB. So AP into BP. And equal to what? Name of the other chord is CD. So C here and D here is equal to CP into DP. Okay, whether it intersect inside the circle or outside the circle. Here also AP into BP. Okay, पहले वही chord आएगा, chord AB and P is a point of intersection. So AP into BP is equal to CP into DP. Okay, को बोलते हैं chord power theorem. Why? Because two chords are intersecting. Fine, तो reason में हम लोग यही लिखेंगे, chord power theorem. Or else you can write two chords intersecting inside the circle or outside the circle. Two chords intersecting inside the circle or outside the circle. But you will waste lot of time when you write big reasons. MCQ आया तो no need to specify any reason. Now see, this time you don't have chord and chord. This time you have tangent and chord. PT is a tangent and PAB is a secant. PT is a tangent and PAB is a secant. Again I say same thing कि P will be an important point. But tangent जो होगा इसको multiply करने के लिए, okay, here I can multiply PA into PB. Here I can multiply PA into PB as I have done in my previous theorem. And here I have only one segment, that is PT. So multiply PT by PT, you will get PT square. And this will be named as tangent secant. One arm is tangent and other arm is secant. So tangent secant power theorem. All the experienced teacher know these names and all, okay, if they have followed all the books. एक book में नाम नहीं दिया होता but दूसरे में दिया होता है, okay, so that if you don't want to write this name, you can say intersecting tangents and secant. Now there are two sums, okay, and here unknown value is x, here unknown value is again x. हमको find out करना, ठीक है. Now see first part I am solving. So what I will write कि according to as per chord power theorem or intersecting chords. Therefore what is the theorem? AE is a point of intersection, तो E सब में आएगा. AE into BE is equal to CD is the another point of intersection, तो CE into D. Fine. Therefore X multiply by 4, AEX BE 4 is equal to CE 7 DE 6. Therefore X is equal to 7 into 6 is 42 divided by 4. Is it 10.5? So 10.5 centimeter. So very easy. So you can expect this in a form of MCQ. ये diagram देंगे X and value of X is, there will be 4 options. One of those 4 options will be correct. AE into BE is equal to CE into D. जो instructions दिया वो फॉलो करना है आप लोगों को, नहीं तो पूरा गड़बड़ हो जाएगा. बहुत इजी है. 6 plus x into BE, into I can put dot also, into BE looks like a quadratic equation. CE 9 plus 8 17 into DE 9. Let's see what happens here. So what I get is, on opening the bracket, 6x plus x square. And this is 9 plus 8 is 17 into 9. What is 17 into 9? X square plus 6x. Okay, 153. That will come this side. It will become minus 153 is equal to 0. Tell me two numbers, quadratic equation, same one chapter, quadratic equation. Two number on adding, you are getting 6, and on multiplication you are getting 153. Correct na? Is it 17 and 9 6? Yes. Positive होगा और एक नेगेटिव होगा. 17 and 9. यहाँ प्लस है, मतलब बड़ा नंबर प्लस होगा, छोटा नंबर माइनस होगा. करेक्ट ना? 7 प्लस 17 माइनस 9 इज प्लस 6. मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे दोनों को तो माइनस 153. सो आई एम यूजिंग अ शॉर्टकट. प्लस 17 and minus 9 is equal to 0. This you can do only when coefficient of x square is 1. Only when coefficient of x square is 1. Therefore x plus 17 is equal to 0, or x minus 9 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 9 centimeter. And here we are getting negative answer. Okay, x cannot be negative na, because this is geometry. X is negative, but so minus 17 answer we are going to discard. So we will say x is not equal to minus 17 centimeter. So my answer is 9. Right? So this sum was related to quadratic equation. Printing mistake. It must be 9. Next sum. Now see, we have tangent and secant. AP is 15. Unit दिया है, नहीं दिया. Okay. BP is 10. And what we have to find out? BC, x. Okay, let BC is equal to x. Let A I am solving. Let I have to find out BC, so that is equal to x. What is a theorem? What is AP square equal to? What is AP square equal to? What multiply by what? BP into CP. Make sure that P sub में आएगा. What is this? Right, AP is 15. 15 square is equal to BP is 10 and CP is 10 plus x. So 225 is equal to 100 plus 10x. So no quadratic equation. Okay, linear equation ही है. Therefore 225 minus 100 is equal to 10x. I am changing the sign, so I am writing that is 10x is equal to what? Is it 125? Dividing both sides by 10. Don't divide it by 5 or anything like that. You will directly get the answer. Denominator में 10 है, so decimal point after 1 digit. So no unit given, so you also don't write unit. अगर लिखना ही है तो unit लिखो, UNIT. पहला लिखना पड़ता था, लेकिन उन्होंने अगर कुछ नहीं दिया, you also leave as it is. Okay. If you want, you can write this as a unit, but still I'll suggest ये भी मत लिखो. एक क्वेश्चन आएगा either 1 or 2 marks. PQ is equal to 20 centimeter and PR is equal to 8. Calculate the radius of a circle. What should be first step? Let. Now use a theorem. What is the statement as per theorem? PQ square is equal to PR into PS. Okay. Tangent secant power theorem. So PQ is 20 square is equal to PR 8. How much is PS? 8 plus 2R. 400 is equal to 8 into 8 is 64 plus 8 into 2 is 16R. 400 minus 64 is equal to 16R. How much is this? 336 is equal to 16R. That is R is equal to 336 upon 16. 16 into 2 is 32. 33 minus 32, remainder is 1. 16 into 1 is 16. So R, therefore radius. Question says find the radius of a circle. So radius is equal to 21 and all centimeter, so centimeter. Easy na? ABCD is a rectangle, AD is a diameter, diameter hai, so make use of it. Semicircle, so you may use theorem related to semicircle. अच्छा, it is already given AXD is a semicircle drawn which intersect the diagonal BD at X. AB is equal to 12, already written there. AD is equal to 9, diameter is 9. Find the values of BD and BX. अगर इसको मैं पूरा सर्कल एज्यूम करता हूँ, so one is the tangent and another one is a secant. So my tangent secant power theorem is AB square is equal to BX into BD. Is it? बट दोनों भी नहीं दिया, एक वैल्यू मिला तो आई कैन फाइंड आउट दी अदर वन, दोनों भी नहीं दिया तो हाउ टू फाइंड दैट? हाँ, दोनों में से कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे? एनी आइडिया? व्हाट इज पाइथागोरस थियरम? बाय यूजिंग पाइथागोरस थियरम यू कैन गेट अ हाइपोटेन्यूज. व्हाट इज पाइथागोरस ट्रिपलेट? 9, 12 and 15. So this will be 15. In triangle ABC, angle A is equal to 90 degree, angle of rectangle. Therefore BD is equal to 15 centimeter. Using tangent secant power theorem, AB square, okay, this is AB not AD, AB square is equal to BX into BD. Therefore 12 square. So instead of writing 12 square, I am writing 12 into 12. BX into 15, right? So 12 into 12 upon 15 is equal to BX. How much is BX now? 3 into 4, 3 into 5. Denominator में 5 आया, तो your answer will be of terminating type. BX is equal to 48 upon 5. 5 into 9 is 45. 3 is the remainder. Point लिया, 0 आया. 5 into 6 is 30. So 9.6 centimeter. BX is equal to 9.6 centimeter. One answer is this and other answer is this. We have to find out BD and BX. Fifth one, in the adjoining figure, two concentric circles. Concentric circles are those circles which share their centers. So we will say smaller circle and larger circle both have center O. एक का रेडियस है 5 एंड दूसरे का रेडियस है 3. रेडियस आर 5 and 3. नो यूनिट्स आर गिवन. फाइंड द लेंथ ऑफ अ कॉर्ड ऑफ अ लार्जर सर्कल विच टचेस द स्मॉलर वन. AB is a chord of a larger circle, but as far as smaller circle is concerned, AB is a tangent. AB, same segment, is a chord for a larger circle but tangent for a smaller circle. BD is equal to 5. Okay, BD is equal to 5. BC, AT जानबूझकर दिया नहीं है, देखो आपको फंसाने के लिए ये T दिया नहीं है उन्होंने. So that you take AB. What is a tangent? First of all, this theorem is with respect to the smaller circle. For smaller circle, okay, larger circle के लिए तो tangent है ही नहीं, तो smaller circle को tangent है. What is the name of that tangent segment? BT लेंगे हम लोग, BT square, BC into BD. Reason is tangent secant power theorem. Okay, write the reason. क्या मालूम है इसमें से? Do we know BT? अभी जो जो नहीं मालूम है फाइंड आउट करेंगे. Now radius of a smaller circle and radius of a larger circle is given. Suppose this is smaller circle का radius. Radius and tangents are perpendicular. So radius of a larger circle is 3 and radius of a smaller circle is 3 and larger circle is 5. So Pythagoras triplet आएगा इधर, isn't it? Okay, and AT you will get as 4. If AT is equal to 4, BT is also equal to 4. So BT square means what? 4 square is equal to BC. Is BC given to us? नहीं, वो find out करना. Into BD. BD is given as 5. तो 4 का स्क्वायर आया 16. बाई क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन 5 has come here. So BD डिनोमिनेटर में 5 आया तो टर्मिनेटिंग टाइप होगा इसका, ये डेसिमल पॉइंट. 5 into 3 is 15, रिमाइंडर इज 1, 0 लिया. 5 into 2 is 10. यूनिट इज नॉट गिवन, सो दिस इज माई आंसर. ओके, बट ये सेकेंड स्टेप है. फर्स्ट स्टेप में क्या करना पड़ेगा? मुझे पाइथागोरस थ्योरम करना पड़ेगा. ओके, so AT is equal to 4. therefore BT is equal to AT is equal to 4. What is the reason why AT and BT are equal? Okay, perpendicular for chord perpendicularity theorem 9th standard ka. This is 1, equation 1. So here I can write from 1. And this is tangent secant power theorem.